In this question, we have to integrate this. And the mistake that some students make when they are trying to integrate this is to think that this is 1 over x plus c. And this is definitely not true because what do we have here on the board? It is differentiation and not integration. So to integrate this, we are going to try to view this as if it is 1 multiplied by ln x. And we are going to carry out an integration by parts manipulation. If I were to be making use of LIATE, A will be representing 1 and L will be representing this logarithmic function. So we are going to assign U to be ln x and we're going to assign dv dx to be 1. And du dx is 1 over x, which was what we did wrongly previously, and v is equal to x. So carrying out an integration by parts, it is going to be uv, this times this. So we have a x ln x minus integration of v du dx. So that will be x times of 1 over x dx. And this is equal to x ln x minus away integration of 1 dx. So our answer here is going to be x ln x minus integration of 1 is x. Then let's not forget about the plus c. So this is part A of the question. And in part B, we have region A. It is a region that is bounded by the curve y is equal to half square root of ln x. And if I were to do a sketch of this on the graphing calculator, let's say here is the x-axis, here is the y-axis, we're going to be getting a graph that looks something like this. So this will be y is equal to half square root of ln x. And here is when x is equal to 1. So we have a region A that is bounded by this curve, the x-axis, and the line x is equal to 5. So it's going to be this vertical line here. So this region here is ln A. And this region is going to be rotated by 2 pi about the x-axis, and we're supposed to find the volume of the solid of revolution. So the volume of the solid of revolution, making use of this diagram, and for what we know about how we can use integration to find volume, it is going to be pi integrating from 1 to 5. So 1, 5, and the function square. With respect to the x-axis, so dx, and the function is going to be half square root of ln x. So this is going to be equal to half square is 1/4. I'm going to take it out of the integration notation. So we have a pi over 4. So we are integrating from 1 to 5, square root of ln x square is just going to be ln x. And we have the integrated version of ln x here from the previous part. So we are definitely going to be making use of it. So this is going to be making use of the previous part, x ln x, then minus away, yeah, this is the answer, not this. So minus away x, then we are going to ignore the plus c. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is going to be equal to 5. So substituting the upper limit in, we have a 5 ln 5 minus 5. Minus away, substituting the lower limit in, we have a 1 ln 1. And ln 1 is 0. Minus away 1. So our final answer here is going to be pi over 4 of 5 ln 5 minus 5 plus 1. So minus 4.